Hello, hello bé Tư. Bây giờ chú dạy cho con cái cách chia rational division express ha. Ok, bây giờ cái bài thí dụ thứ nhất là mình có 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus x divide cho x minus 1. Ok, so ở đây cái divider là bx là x minus 1. Ok, and ok, bây giờ mình bắt đầu chia, vô thẳng chia luôn ha. Bây giờ mình xếp theo thứ tự từ chia như là so we divide like in Vietnam divide. Okay, so we get 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6 and okay, so divide by x minus 1. So con lấy cái số thứ nhất 2x 2x cubed and then con nhìn ở đây x minus 1 rồi con có con bây giờ con nghĩ coi cái số nào nhân cho what number multiply cho x thì nó ra 2x cubed, thì con có cái số là 2x square, right? So con lấy 2x square con nhân cho x, 2x square con nhân cho x làm thành 2x cubed, thì con đẻo ở đây, con mang ở đây là nó thành 2x cubed. Rồi con phải nhớ nhân cho cái số the second term. So 2x square multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2x square. And then con gạch ngang. And then you minus. Okay. Then like 2x cubed minus 2x cubed got 0. And then minus 7x square minus 2x square. That means minus 7x square plus 2x square, so equal minus 5x square. Ok, so ở đây không có cái term kế tiếp có x, so con replace nó bằng 0x, right? 0x là cũng như là 0 thôi, có bỏ vô thêm thì nó cũng không có khác gì hết. So con hạ xuống là minus 5x square plus 0x. Ok, rồi con tiếp tục chia. Ok, so bây giờ làm sao bây giờ con có minus 5x square plus 0x, thì làm sao cái số kế tiếp, làm số nào nhân cho x thì nó bằng minus 5x square. So con có minus 5x thay x là bằng minus 5x square, right? And then minus 5x thay 1 minus plus thì con có plus 5x, rồi con trừ, then you minus both expression. So minus 5x square minus with minus 5x square cancel equal 0, and then 0x minus 5x thì nó còn là minus 5x. Ok, and then con hạ số 6 xuống là bây giờ nó còn là minus 5x plus 6. Ok, so bây giờ con nhìn ở chỗ x trừ 1, coi cái số nào nhân cho x thì bằng minus 5x, thì con có minus 5, right? So minus 5 nhân cho x là thành minus 5x, and then minus 5 thay minus 1 là thành plus 5. Ok, đem con đem vào đây rồi xong con gạch ngang con trừ, thì minus 5x trừ cho trừ 5x là 0, right? And then 6 minus 5 equal 1. So 1 is remainder. Tại vì tại sao mình stop đây? Tại vì 1 á, cái degree nó nhỏ hơn x minus 1, right? Degree của 1 là 0, degree của x minus 1 là ngay chỗ x là 1 phông, So mình stop. Ok, so bây giờ làm sao mình viết ra cái dạng division. So mình có là 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6 divided by x minus 1 thì equal qx. Ok, cái số chia được là 2x squared minus 5x minus 5 plus remainder tức là as 1 divide by cái số chia là bx nè, x trừ 1. Ok, đó là kết quả. Ok, to make sure it is right or not, so we better check it. Okay, in order to check it, so con multiply cái vế phải, okay, the right hand side, to see is equal to the left hand side or not. So let's say, okay, so bây giờ multiply x minus 1 to that, to x squared minus 5x minus 5. It's right here, right? And then plus 1. And then same common denominator. So x minus 1 times 2x squared. So you have x times 2x squared equal to x cubed. And then minus 5x squared. And then minus 5x. And you take minus 1. Right here. You got minus 2x squared. And then minus 1 times minus 5x. You got plus 5x. And then minus 1 times minus 5 plus 5. And then you have to plus 1, right? And then we eliminate common term, right? So ở đây 2x cubed thì nó nằm một mình. So ở đây là leave alone. So okay, minus 5x squared and minus 2x squared is minus 7x squared. Okay, and minus 5x and plus 5x is cancel out. And plus 5 plus 1 is plus x. And denominator is still x minus 1. So final we have 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6 divided by x minus 1. So it is exactly the left hand side. The right hand side equal the left hand side. So that means we divide it correctly. Okay, so that's division of rational. Okay, so that's how you divide rational expression. Okay, so bây giờ đi qua cái bài kế tiếp. Ok, bây giờ con có x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 divide by x squared minus 4x plus 4. So bây giờ ok, con thấy đây x cubed phải không? Con lấy x nhân cho x square, làm sao cho có x cubed trước. So x times x square, so x cubed, and then you have like x minus times minus 4x equal minus 4x square, and then x times 4 you got plus 4x, and then you subtract. Okay, x cubed minus x cubed equal 0, minus 4x square minus 4x là plus 4x square, so equal x square, and 5x minus 4x là x. Okay, so equal x square plus x, and then you bring minus 1 down, so equal x square plus x minus 1, and now x square plus 4x minus 1 thì cái degree nó vẫn là 2, so nó equal degree của cái divider, so we have to keep dividing. Okay, so here, so how you get x square here, you just times 1 times x square equal x square, 1 times minus 4x equal minus 4x, 1 times 4 equal plus 4, and then you minus. The x square minus x square equal 0, and x minus 4x it does mean x plus 4x equal 5x, and then minus 1 minus 4 equal minus 5. Okay, and now we stop here. Why we stop here? Because now the degree of the remainder rs is 1, and the degree of the divider is 2. So degree of remainder is less than degree of divider. So we stop here. Okay, so bây giờ mình có thể, so now we can write our answer. So we have x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 divide x squared minus 4x plus 4 equal this one qx, x plus 1 plus with remainder 5x minus 5 bx, right? And divide by rs, sorry, 5x minus 5 divided by bx, so x squared minus 4x plus 4. So that's the answer. Okay, now go to the number 3. So we have x cubed minus 5x plus 2 divided by x minus 10. So again, so how to get x cubed? You multiply by x squared, right? X squared, x squared times x is x cubed, and x squared times minus 10, you get minus 10x squared. Okay, and then you subtract. So x cubed subtract x cubed is 0, and minus 5x minus 10x squared, that means plus 10x squared. So plus 10x squared, so it become plus 10x squared, right? Because x cubed minus 5x plus 2 nó không có, they don't have a square term, so 10x squared is stays still, and then you bring minus 5x down, right? Okay, and then we keep going. So when you divide, so it has to be when you bring down, it has to be in order. So x cubed square, and then x, and then constant. So here we don't have x square in this in this number. So that's why when we minus 10x square, so we still have 10x square. So 10x square, and then bring minus 5x, so we have 10x square minus 5x. Okay, so how we get, okay, now look at and then we take 10x square minus 5x divided by x minus 10. So we multiply by 10x, right? 10x times x is 10x square, and then 10x times minus 10 is minus 100x, and then you subtract it. So 10x square minus 10x square is done, it's 0, and minus 5x minus 100x, so that means plus 100x, so you have 95x. Okay, and then you bring 2 here down, so you have 95x plus 2. So since x, the degree of x minus 10 is 1, the degree of 95x plus 2 is still 1, so we have to keep going, right? We have to keep dividing. So here, how do we get 95x? So you multiply by 95, so plus 95 here, 95x. Okay, 95 times minus 10 is 950, minus 950, and then you subtract 95x minus 95x equals 0, and plus 2 minus minus 950, so that means 2 plus 950, so equal 952. Okay, so we stop here. Since the remainder rs had the degree of 0 less than degree of bs, degree of bs là 1, so we stop here. Okay, so now we write the answer. So how the answer look like? S cubed minus 5s plus 2, okay, divide by s, divide by s minus 10. Chỗ này là it's right here, s minus 10. Okay, I write wrong. So the divide by s minus 10 will be equal this number, s square plus 10s plus 95. Okay, and then plus remainder and this number 952, right? Divide by bx, divide by x minus 10. That's it. So that the method how to that's the way how to divide two rational expression. Okay, alright, okay, okay, bài dạy đến đây là chấm dứt. Ok, có gì con không biết thì gọi điện thoại hoặc là email cho chú. Ok, bye con.